This is the Ultimea M3T surround sound system. I'll be unboxing it and going over its features. If you're interested in seeing more videos like this, make sure you subscribe so you'll be notified once I upload a new video. Let's take it out of the box and see what's inside. There's a user manual, an HDMI cable, an optical cable, the cables for the left and right surround speakers, the audio cable, the power cables, a remote control, mounting hardware, and of course the surround sound speakers, subwoofer, and soundbar. This is a 5.1 surround sound system with 350 watt peak power output. It has a total of 6 drivers and Ultimea's Bass Max technology, which will ensure you feel the action and vibrations. The soundbar itself is the main control unit for the system and consists of 3 drivers. There are touch capacitive keys on top to power it on, as well as control volume, Bluetooth, and audio input. On the back, there's a DC in, an auxiliary port, an optical port, a USB Type-A port, and an HDMI ARC port. The rear surround speakers each have a single driver and can be placed on tabletops, mounted to a wall, or even placed on tripods. As for the subwoofer, again it uses Ultimea's Bass Max technology and delivers good bass, allowing you to get a good feel from both music and movies. The rear surround speakers connect to the subwoofer, and the subwoofer receives signal wirelessly from the soundbar. So you can place the subwoofer behind you in a room to prevent any exposed wires running from one side to the other. The subwoofer has a 5.25-inch driver. You can download the Ultimea app from the Google Play or App Store to sync with the system, which will allow you to customize the settings directly from your smartphone. Once synced, you can power it on and off, adjust the volume, and change the source from the main dashboard. Diving in further, you can select from 6 themes: movie, music, voice, sport, game, and night. You can go to the Customize tab on top to further adjust the levels to your liking. Or you can enter the Style tab and select a dot closer to the 4 styles provided to get the sound matching more of that genre. These speakers do support Bluetooth, so you can also use either your laptop or computer to wirelessly play music, or even your smartphone when you have people over and want to play some music in the background.
If your enemy's a road ahead of full prophecy to be the greatest beast the world has ever seen. I feed him every day with the bones clean. I feed him all the hate and he throws me. He gets shit that accomplished to me. I promise the darkness like an honest thief. But don't cross me, I might lose control of the lost beast. So you got the ways out with the key control.
This system is powerful, loud, and crisp. Whether you want to use it for gaming on the computer, watching movies in the living room or your home theater setup, or just listening to music, this will easily bring you an upgraded sound experience, which you will be sure to enjoy. Ultimea provides a wide selection of surround sound systems and projectors, and this sound system is yet another solid choice for anyone looking for that surround sound experience. I'll place links in the description, and I'll see you in the next one.